Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to see your Snapchat history. So let's start. First, open the Snapchat app. Now go to your profile from top left corner. Then go to settings from top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on My Data. Here you'll see all the data which are available in your app, as well as the data available for download. Now scroll down and to see your Snapchat history, tap on Submit Request. And Snapchat will send you an email when your data is ready to download. Now open your email. If you don't see an email from Snapchat, then refresh the feed. And now you'll see the email. Tap on that. And tap on Click Here. And a browser window will open. Now you have to log into your Snapchat account. And here you will see that your data is ready to download. Now if you tap on the link starting with My Data, and your data will be downloaded automatically. And that's how you can see your Snapchat history. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.